Good morning friends. Today we are going to learn about indexing and slicing in NumPy. So let's create an array. Import NumPy as np.array 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right? Now let's name this as A. Now print A. So this is the array. So we can create an array from existing array by indexing and slicing concept in NumPy, right? So I want to create an array such that I will take the existing array. So the existing array here is A, and I will write like this, and I will mention the starting index and the stop index. Okay, start index. No, I want 3, 4, 5, right? Now what are the indexes here for 3, 4, 5? So indexes for these are, okay, the indexes, see, the indexes of 1 is 0, index of 2 is 1, index of 3 is 2, like that. So if I ask the index starting from 1 to 3, so see the result. Now I will print B. So what is the array? 2, 3. Why? Because the index I asked is starting from 1, and so the index of 1 is 0, the index of 2 is 1, so it started with 2, right? 2, and the next is 3, and the index 4 is not included, so the result is 2, 3. So here in this subscription you have to mention start and stop. Start is included in your result, but stop is not included. Let us say if I write 1 to 6. Now tell me the output. 1 to 6. The index here are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So if I ask 1 to 6, it starts with so index of 1 is 0, so index of 2 is 1, so 2 is included. From starting from 2 to 2, 3, 4, so 1, 2, 3, see here starting index is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 index is not included. So index 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 7 is not included. The result will be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, did you understand this? Here, 1 represents the starting index. Now, the index starts with 0. So, 1 is not included in this. The index 1 is 2. The value at index 1 is 2. So 2 is included. Now from starting 2 to 6 minus 1. So fifth index. So first index number 1 to index number 5. Index number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's why 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are included. See, here I will write the index numbers. 0, 0 is the value at 0 is 1, comma, index 1, the value at index 1 is 2. The value at index 2 is 3. In this way, you have to write. Okay. Then you can easily manipulate and you can able to tell the answer. Now, can you tell this A of, okay, sorry, A of 3 to 7. Now, take a pen and paper and write this result. Okay. Note down this array. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now the indexes start with 0. Now write 0 after 1. So here the index is 0, index is 1, index is 2 here, index is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here when I ask for 3 to 7, starting is 3. So 0, 1, 2, 3. So the result will start with 4, 3, then index number 3. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 5 is included, 6 is included, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 8 is not included. So the result would be 4, 5, 6, 7. Whatever you mention here, this index number's value is not included in your result. So the output would be 4, 5, 6, 7. Now I will print C, right? See, 4, 5, 6, 7. Got it? So in this way, indexing and slicing